Hello everyone, welcome back to our English learning channel. Today's topic is English conversation in a job interview. If you're a beginner and don't know how to answer interview questions in English, don't worry. In this video, we'll learn simple and easy English sentences that you can start using today. Tell me about yourself.
Hello, my name is Vijay. I am from Chennai. I completed my BTech in computer science. I enjoy learning new skills and solving problems. I am a quick learner and I am excited to start my career.
Why do you want to work here?
I want to work here because your company has a good reputation. I believe I can learn new skills and grow my career with your team. What are your strengths? I am hardworking, honest, and a quick learner. I work well in a team, and I always try to complete my work on time. What is your weakness? Sometimes I take extra time to make my work perfect, but I am learning to manage my time better. Why should we hire you? I am eager to learn. I have a positive attitude, and I will give my best to help the company achieve its goals. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Yes. What training programs do you provide for freshers? Also, what are the opportunities for career growth?
Practice tips: speak slowly and clearly, maintain eye contact, smile and stay confident. Practice every day for 10 to 15 minutes. Thank you for watching. Practice these conversations every day, and your confidence in English interviews will improve. If you enjoyed this lesson, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. See you in the next English lesson. Goodbye.